Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Let me just tell you, I am pissed. I am not happy. I am mad at Coach. And why am I mad? Well, I got the replacement today for the Coach Quilted Denim Tabby that I had ordered last week. And I still have the original because, I don't know, I just wanted to kind of compare them. I was initially going to keep the original one if I wasn't happy with this one, but now I'm keeping neither because I'm just plain mad, and the original one, it just has issues, and I don't want to have a bag that has issues. So this is the new one. I'm not unwrapping it. It is going back too, and I'm going to tell you why. So if you look at it, at first glance, it looks okay. The C, it still has a little bit of wrinkling on the top, but I was totally going to live with that. And so looks okay, looks okay, looks okay. Looks okay. I did unfasten this because I wanted to see kind of how it lined up without this little piece of tissue paper in it. I saw a video and the lines on it weren't lined up in a perfect diamond on the one in the video. And so, yep, that looks good. But let's look down here. Do you see it? Do you see it? Do you see it? Where is it? My eyes doth deceive me. There it is. You see that? Pop stitch. Now, this may not be a big deal to just everybody, but it's a huge deal to me, and I am not going to keep a bag with a pop stitch. And you know what? That's okay. Coach saved me some money by making a bag and shipping it to me with a pop stitch, because I'm not going to keep this bag. But I do want to show you real quick, down and dirty, this one next to the other one, and there's a reason for it, so stay tuned. So here's the first one, and here's the second one. So there is color variation in the denim. Can you tell that this one here on your right is a little bit darker? And I think either one is just fine. I don't have an issue with either color. Also, to me, it looks like the placement of the C is just a little different, but that may be kind of an optical illusion. The one thing I really noticed was that the one here on this side, on your left, is puffier, I think. And if you look at it from the side, I think you can really notice it the most then. But if you look at the one on your right, which is the newest one, it looks more narrow to me, the way the flap lays. Now, I realize that I do have some tissue paper up there at the top that may be affecting things. Let's put it back down. They have the same tissue paper in there. So yes, the one on the left, it's more shaped like my Gucci Marmont is. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, go watch the video that I did a couple days ago. I'll link it as well as the unboxing down below. But the bag on your left, this bag was way wider at the top than the Gucci Marmont was. And in fact, this bag was pretty similar and still is pretty similar width at the top as it is at the bottom. But this bag, it's more narrow. It really appears like it's coming together, more triangular shape up at the top. Of course, this pokes back out again, but without this tissue paper and wrapping and stuff inside, it would be even more narrow up at the top than it's presenting right now. And so I think that this bag would probably be more comfortable even than this one was with the repacking that I did, where I put my phone in the center pocket. I think this one's going to be more comfortable if I were to unwrap it. Now, I'm not going to unwrap it because I'm sending both of them back, and I want there to be no doubt in Coach's mind that this bag is like brand spanking new with a pop stitch. They both have the tags attached and all that. I just don't want them to have any question in their mind why I'm returning both of them. This one is the one I got first. They have pictures of the defect on the clasp right there. And then, of course, there was the issue on the other side as well, right there. And, you know, I'm sort of tempted to keep this one, but I think that would always bother me because I'm very particular with my bags. And I think if I just send them both back, I'll move on and life will go on and I'll find another bag to love. And so for that reason, they're both going back. Boo-hoo. And I bet you know what? I bet they'll be available in a few months. And if I want to pick one up then, I probably can. And if I can't, there will be another bag because there always is. So Coach, I am mad at you. You're not going to get any of my business for a while. And it's your fault because you know what? You could do a better job inspecting your products before you ship them out. And then you would have a lot more happy customers and a lot less returns. And you would save yourself a fortune in shipping because when you get these bags back, if you ship them out to somebody else, guess what? They're probably going to return them too. And I hear that's what they do to other people and not just to me. That said, I do think that both of these were brand new, so these are a true quality control mess nightmare situation that Coach really needs to address. So that is quick, down and dirty video. I hope I don't know if you can enjoy this. I mean, if you did enjoy it, then fabulous. You enjoy wallowing in my misery. But if you enjoyed it, please give me a big thumbs up. That would make me feel ever so much better. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do it. What are you waiting for? And ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there's the same. It's the @, then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I will see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.